Hi there, good evening. My name is Deborah. I've been a maths tutor for over 20 years. Today's lesson is on trigonometry. I assume you're aware of the title and been told that trigonometry is used to find unknown sides and unknown angles in right-angled triangles. You've probably been taught the saying soc ca toa, and if we break it up into what each letter means, sine of the angle equals the opposite over the hypotenuse, cosine of the angle equals the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and tan of the angle equals the opposite over the adjacent. So let's have a look at the first example. First thing we have to do is we have to label the sides according to where the angle is. So the angle we want to find is here. So this is the opposite and this is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always the longest side in a right angle triangle and it's opposite the right angle. So once we've found out that we're going to be using the opposite and the hypotenuse, we then look at the word SOHCAHTOA and realise that we will be using sine. So therefore sine x will equal the opposite over the hypotenuse, which equals 10 over 12. In order to work out the unknown angle, we therefore write down the angle is equal to the inverse of sine 10 over 12, which we do on our calculator. So if I get my old-fashioned calculator here and show you what I have to press. So I will press 10 divided by 12, shift, sine equals. So our angle is 56.4 degrees. Okay, so that is example 1. So for example 2, we do exactly the same thing. We label our sides according to where the angle is. Now this time, this is the opposite and this is the adjacent. We're not interested in using the hypotenuse. So we therefore go back to our formula, and this time we realise that we're using tan. So tan x equals opposite over adjacent equals 8 over 7. And again, we do the same thing. We need to take the inverse. So x equals tan to the minus 1 of 8 over 7. And again, I'll do this on my calculator. Quite an old calculator, as you can see. So I do 8 divided by 7 equals shift tan equals. So our angle is 48.8 degrees. I hope you found that lesson of some interest. I will be doing a lot more videos on mathematical topics, including finding lengths in right-angled triangles, Pythagoras theorem, algebra, solving quadratics, etc., etc. If there's any particular topic you'd like me to cover, then please comment on the video below. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.